Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I posted two videos on how you can utilize the task manager in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And the first video was how to show every core in the CPU using your task manager. And we also discussed a couple of the differences between cores and logical processors. And the second video was how to get more detailed network stats in Task Manager on Windows. And both those videos will be linked down below and in the end screen. Now, just to do a third follow-on video to yesterday's, where, in case you're unaware, in the Startup Apps tab of the Task Manager, you can also check the time for the last boot of the basic input-output system, also referred to as the BIOS. So if we head over to our startup apps, and by the way, this applies to both Windows 10 and Windows 11, here to the top right, you see last BIOS time, and mine reads as 4.4 seconds. Now what this is all about, in case you're unaware, is last BIOS time refers to the amount of time it took for your computer's basic input-output system, also referred to as the BIOS, to initialize during the last boot up process, which basically essentially means that it indicates how long it took for the basic hardware checks to run before your operating system started loading. So just to simplify this, it took my BIOS 4.4 seconds to hand over to the operating system. So that's what I'm talking about. And something just to take note of regarding this so-called last BIOS time or boot time is that a longer last BIOS time could indicate potential hardware issues or configuration problems. So it's always good from time to time to check how long it took for the basic hardware checks to run before your operating system started loading, because it could mean that something has been configured wrong or potential up and coming hardware issues. So from time to time, I do check to see if this is still, a couple of seconds, like 4.4 seconds, which isn't very long. And just wanted to show you guys this because it is very good at troubleshooting and actually preventing problems at the end of the day. Because if you are seeing your last BIOS time, as a long time taken to boot into the actual OS, then as mentioned, it could indicate trouble or something could be failing, and you can obviously try and troubleshoot that problem before it becomes a disaster. So that's how you can check the last BIOS time, mine being 4.4 seconds, using the Task Manager on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.